In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Taco Bell discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Taco Bell discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called retailmeno.com, and as you can see we have some promo codes right here that we can use in order to get the discount. So for example, if I want to say get this one with $5 discount right here, all I have to do is select this promotion, and after that, as you can see, I'm going to be redirected to the website. So for this one there is no code required. You can simply select the promotion and you'll be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. Also, going back to the main search, you have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some deals and promo codes that we can use. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 15% of discount, all you have to do is select copy code from right here, and this is the promo code. Simply select copy from right here and you can apply this promo code on your next durable purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.